Welcome back, guys. This is Beamer Merchant doing another do-it-yourself video. We are working on a 95 BMW E34 525 5 Series. We're going to show you how to remove the door panel and at the same time how to remove the side view mirror. I'm going to show you the long way. I'm sure there's videos out there that can show you how to take everything off within 1 minute. If you want to go that route, by all means go for it. You will break stuff though. Instead, just relax. This is going to take 5 minutes and I'll show you my way. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and practice something else. Let's get started. The tools I'll be using today is Phillips small flathead tack remover, and then I believe this is an Allen a 6. The panel removal is one of the easiest I found on most BMWs. Pretty straightforward. One screw here, Phillips, and then you just stick the tack remover all around, pop the pins, and you're able to pull the pan off. However, what I recommend that you do is you take some extra steps. I would recommend removing this trim that goes around the windowsill here and taking this speaker off. The reason why I recommend that is this is the back of a passenger door panel. What's holding the panel on the top is this small trim here. It goes all around the top. Now, let me see here. If you commence to pull the panel towards you this way, there's a chance you are gonna go ahead and break this fragile trim. Instead, once the tabs have been popped out, I recommend taking both hands and lifting up. Very carefully, start in one section, up, up, up. In order to do that, of course, you gotta take this out of the way. So, let's get started. Take that small flat screwdriver, pocket screwdriver, insert it into the edge here, pop that out. That's how it looks, don't lose it. Usually there's a Phillips screw in there. In this case, it seems they went ahead and replaced it with an 8 bolt. We now come here to the tweeter, remove this cover. Take a small head Phillips, take it off. The mistake most people do, and it's obvious here, is once they take this off, they start pulling on it. What happens? They're gonna break it, and I'll show you where. Instead, take the tack remover, wedge it at the top here, and pop this screen off very carefully. The reason why I suggest starting from the top is because once this is removed, this is held by this pin in here. If you were to start pressing on the side or actually trying to jam it from the bottom, you run the risk of breaking this tab. Once this is removed, it's gonna actually expose a Phillips screw again right there. Remove it. Once you remove that screw, this cover should come off. It actually slides up. You see that? When you put it back, push it in, take it from there. Once that cover is removed, I like to remove this trim. And pretty simple, you just pop it out like on the side here, and you just go all the way up around. Pops out with your fingers, just go along, pop it out. The reason I like taking this trim off is because it's pretty straightforward to take off. It's not that hard, just pops out all along the edge here. And most importantly, hold it right there before. As I mentioned earlier, I like to pull up on the door panel. This right here prevents the door panel from actually going up. We now take the tack remover, wedge it into one of these here, and just start popping the plastic pins very slowly. And you can, once it's there's a gap, you can actually stick your fingers in there and just do it by hand. These are the plastic tabs that were popping out all around here. Remember, these panels are old, fragile. What I recommend is once you have a gap here that you can actually kind of see through, take your attach remover and, for example, align the end here with the plastic tab and pop it there. Go alongside and do the same thing. What happens if not, say for example the pin is here and the other pin is here, you start pulling here, you risk again breaking this panel. Once all tabs have been popped out, you'll notice it's flaps. Take your hand up here and start lifting from here up. This is what you want to get. You see how it came off from here? That's fine. Just keep going. And it should, once it's done, falls out by itself. Before you do that too, let me see here. One recommendation too, before you start taking the panel off, unscrew this. Pretty simple that way. It goes up and the panel can actually go up. Pull it up. Perfect. And just start disconnecting the handle, latch, and the side view mirror connector right there. We managed to successfully remove the panel without breaking this trim here. This is how the door looks without the panel. Regulator, we'll show you in another video how to do that. At this point, you can go ahead and proceed to remove the side view mirror. This is held by a 6 Allen, just 1 bolt. Once you take this off, disconnect the wires, and you can start pulling from here. So that's how you remove a door panel from an E34 chassis. Questions, comments, let us know. Be sure to check out our website posted below. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Take care.